things. We want to salute our local landowner and our farmer here that helped us out and let us borrow this beautiful farm so we could do this concert. One of our sponsors is Bear Ag. I want to welcome to the stage Mr. Ray Cairns, and we're on Spangler Farms. Y'all give it up for Mr. Keith Spangler. You leaving me hanging, Ray?
So, before we do anything, I think we need to give Luke another round of applause for playing with a broken wing. Unbelievable. Listen, y'all know the American farmer does incredible work. They're the hardest working people in this country. So Keith, on behalf of Luke and myself at Bear, we want to thank you for having us at your home tonight. We want to thank you for all you do to feed this country and feed the world.
Y'all give it up for Mr. Keith Spangler one more time. All right, I got two more quick things. I want to salute our military, armed forces, those that keep us free. Policemen, firefighters, all the security people, EMS. Hell, mall cops, if you're a mall cop, hell yes, protect that mall. I'm telling you, keep Annie Ann's pretzels safe, please. Because that's some good shit. Especially the cheese sauce, which is non-dairy, I'm sure. Oh, one more thing. I want to thank you guys for making me your CMA Entertainer of the Year. Thank you. Oh, so now what happened to your arm? Did you break your arm? You broke your arm. Well, that's worse than what I did. She fell off a gymnastics bar. You want me to sign your cast? All right, get her up here. Here we go. I don't have a Sharpie. There she goes. Hold on. You've had a lot of people sign it. There we go. Hey, will you sign mine? All right, you have fun tonight. Take care of your little arm. Oh, you're welcome, buddy. Thank you. All right. When is your arm going to be better?
5 weeks.
5 weeks. All right. Well, I'm getting surgery in the morning on mine. See, I'm old enough to drink, so I'll be better real quick. Thank you, guys. All right. Get her back to Mama. There's your Sharpie, Mama. What song are we doing? Oh, where are my party crashers tonight? We need a party crasher.